Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to update your applications on your phone on your Google Play Store. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Once you have done that, on the top left of your screen, click on that three bars and then you can see My Apps and Games button. Click on it. And finally, you'll be on this page and your device will be checking for updates for any application that needs to be updated. As you can see, these are on my phone. And click on Update All. And finally, the updating should start. And basically, it will take time and internet, but it will update all your applications on your device on your Google Play Store. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.